All right, today's video is on installing an axle back for the old Miata. Pretty much had a track day last week and got tired of not being able to hail the car, especially on outside vids that I couldn't really get good ones of. But pretty excited. Let me go ahead and pull this axle back out. Should be a pretty straightforward install, except for these rusty, dusty bolts. We'll see what happens. Okay, here she is in all her glory. Looks great, man. I think it was about $300 shipped to my door. Nothing too bad. Definitely has the silencer in there. Gotta remove that because I think these sound horrible. Even though they quieted down, they just sound like freaking, I don't know, exhaust leak galore with them. But anyways, we'll get to that in a minute. So you've got, as you can see, flange over there. Those two bolts. Hopefully yours aren't as bad as mine. More than likely they are. But we'll pray. We'll see if they come in loose. So yeah, get rid of that. And then literally just free it from the exhaust hangers and you're literally good to go. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it comes out. But you've got 1, 2, 3 hanger spots, and I don't see any on the other side. Maybe one on that side and then another one over there somewhere. We'll find it. So let's get this old hunk of junk out. Okay, so some people have asked would be smart, but I'm gonna see if I can just look out with an impact. These are 17s. If I can find it, here are little 17 right here. I tried to use a wrench, but the exhaust just kept flexing. I couldn't turn it. So let's hope that they can just ugga dugga zip off, and then literally that's it. Ooh, okay. Nice. Okay, so now you just gotta free it up. Yep. Remove the hanger right there. We got a hanger right there. And a hanger right there. Right there. Oh my god, that was a pain. These hangers are... Wow. Okay. Let me go ahead and do the side by side. There you go. Okay, yeah. Definitely a little bit lighter, for sure. Looks way better, and obviously the angle I'm hoping is better too. But before I forget, I'm actually going to be inserting, or having a good buddy of mine insert, a Resonator. So got a Vibrant Resonator here, about $100. It's the ultra quiet, actually relatively small. But the plan is, because I know these are super loud, plan is to pretty much just insert it somewhere in here just as a resonator instead of just a straight pipe to a canister. So hopefully it'll make it a lot less raspy based on the videos that I've watched. But for the purposes of this video, I wanted to install it, see how it sounded like, see how bad the drone is, and then I wanted to get the resonator on, just do a comparison for you guys. So let's get that thing in. We found the gasket was in the bottom of the box. So let's go ahead and place the gasket in place here. Let me see if I can go get a wire brush just to clean off the surface, because you don't want to just, I mean, it fits, but you kind of want a good surface to work on. So yeah, let's go ahead and wire brush that just to clean it up.
Brake cleaners, set between the surface here, and then brush the teeth here.
Okay, stock donut is out of the way, obviously. I'm gonna put this thing on. I don't think the donut will be needed, because obviously it's gonna make the exhaust not fit right. So just that, and then we are going to have to shimmy the exhaust on. So make sure you lube these up, like I didn't, but used whatever I had. Lube these up, good luck. And let's get that thing on in. So let's go ahead and get these things on here, and we're gonna just zap and start this thing, man. Okay, that is her installed, nice and easy. The angle's freaking awesome, actually. So yeah, this is from the side, this is straight from the back, and I love the angle. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off, and yeah, because I think that looks really ugly. All right, let's see what she sounds like. Quieter than I thought, but cold start. I kind of started to get on the ramp, so let's see if she's leaking. Oh yeah, she's definitely leaking. Oh yeah, leaking right here, right there. All right, let's get some more zap zaps, see if that'll help. Not really, a little bit less, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut her off, maybe flip the gasket, see how that does. All right, flipping the gasket helped a little bit. Still got some leakies, but good thing is I'm gonna be having exhaust work done anyways, so not too worried about it. But yeah, let's. I don't want to obviously rev it in the neighborhood. Got some complaining neighbors, and I don't want to bother nobody. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop her down and take her for a drive. Go from there. All right, guys, just a little kind of driving around town here. It definitely sounds better than I thought. Like, it's not raspy as I expected. Windows down, top down, or up, sorry. But yeah, a little poppy, really cool. Definitely deeper than I thought. But let me go ahead and just shut up. It's definitely droney, around 3 to 4 grand. Anything above that is definitely fine. All right, just a quick, just roll through the gears a little bit. Not too bad. I'm almost to my buddy's shop. That's gonna be doing the exhaust choppy, so figured I'd do one last little pull. Like I said before, it's definitely too loud for me. I'm sure a lot of people like it that way. I kind of just want it a little bit louder. My style is a bit louder than stock, so they can hear something, but not enough to drone. So right in that middle range. So I'm hoping that ultra quiet really does quiet it down, but we'll find out. So yeah. we are just cruising around. Finally a nice day, top down obviously, and just cruising around a little bit, showing you guys that the drone is very minimal. Obviously I expect a little bit even with like the canister, so, but the tone is so good. Like, it's, you know, I was kind of worried to be too quiet, but it's like right in the middle, right what I'm looking for. Barely, like maybe 85-90% of the drone is gone. There's a little bit, but you can't expect anything more with a canister on a convertible. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but here's pretty much just a quick takeoff right when I get to this stop sign right here.